Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have two projects to share with you guys. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. So I was trying to finish up some summer paper that I had laying around that I used most of already, but I wanted to finish the whole paper pad. It was a 12 by 12 and I just needed to write it off on my list. So this is the project I decided to tackle this weekend and use up all those papers. So here are the first two projects that I made using up some more leftover papers I had from this paper collection, which was called Summertime Fun by Recollections. So I don't have a lot left. I mean, I do have like some scrappies, and I have this ginormous one, you know, this paper that we never know how to use, but I did use a part of it. And then I just have like smaller scraps that I don't really know what to make with. Like, it's not big enough for like a 4x4 mini album or anything. So I'm not entirely sure. I know I want to make a couple of cards, but that's as far as it goes. So let me show you guys these mini albums. So let's start with this one, and in case you guys are interested in purchasing one of these, they are available in my Etsy shop, so I'm going to have that linked down below for you guys, and you guys can check that out. But I have like this ice cream background on the front cover with a green wrapped around spine, and also I do have a video class tutorial on how do I make these, so if you guys also want to learn how to make that, I will have that in the description box down below as well. But in the video class tutorial, you're also going to learn how to wrap your paper around the spine so that there's no cracking and it's all perfect and everything. I have more of the ice cream paper back here, and I really like this paper because it's kind of like glossy. I don't know if you guys could see that. So some parts are like glossy and it's so fun. On the front here, I also have some stickers. These are not from this collection. It's just like stickers I had in my stash. Also sticker sheets that I'm trying to use up. I've used like 4 different summer collections of like collection kits this year, and I just have the stickers left over. So I'm trying to use up some stickers. So this says Summer Adventures. I've got some flowers, an eyelet on one of the flowers that's popped up on chipboard. I've got a bead, a star, that cute little ice cream cone, and this tassel. And then there's also enamel dots and stitching and whatnot. So when you open this up, this is what it looks like. I've got a cut apart here from the collection that says Good Times, and behind that I just have a little tuck spot with 2 little tags, and these are also from the collection, so you could do a little bit of journaling on the back, or you could just add them throughout the album wherever you want it to go. And here I just stapled on some ribbon, and that just keeps it a little bit more flatter than adding in eyelets. But I do have eyelets on the bigger tags. It's just those little ones that I chose to do a ribbon. Then here you could add a large photo. So you could add in 4x5 sized photos comfortably, or 3x4. So that will fit here perfectly. And if you wanted to do like a 4x6 photo, you would just have to like cut it in half, or I don't know, at some point in the photo you would have to cut it and then just put it on 2 pages. So this next page, I do have a pocket, and inside of that pocket I have another little tag. I have a journal card, and then I have like this little like note thing that you could just write a little note on, and I just thought it was cute because it has strawberries on it, and so I included it in there. Then here, these all have pull-out tags on the top. That's why it's called my tag mini album. And again, I do have the video class tutorial on how to make these, of when to stitch, because I also stitched around every single page. So I tell you guys when to stitch, how to stitch, or if you're gluing, when to glue. I show you guys how to make all the pocket pages, how to add these pockets and whatnot. So everything is in the video class tutorial. So this next page, I have this cut apart here, and it just flips out, and you've got all this journaling space on the back side. And you could also add a photo over it if you don't like it, or you could add a photo on the back and then more photos here, however you want to decorate your cute little album. And it's perfect to document either like a day trip or a weekend getaway. And obviously you could also add photos to the tag, so whether you want to add it on the front and do journaling on the back, or maybe you want to add a photo here and a photo here, and maybe just a little spot for journaling. Like, you have so many options depending on how many photos you want to put in. So this is another one of the tags with like a light yellow seam binding this time. And did I tell you guys the seam binding is from my scrap cabin shop? Did I say that already? I can't remember, but I'm gonna have it linked down below. So all these beautiful colors of seam binding are from her shop. Here's the next page. I've got more of the flippy flops, and I've got a cut apart here that says soaking up the sun, and that flips. And here you've got like a bunch of people like in the pool on some floaties. And then here you have another pull-out tag, and they're white on the back side for the tags. So lots of space for photos. In the center here you have a pocket, so it's like a bigger pocket. You could add in extra photos or memorabilia. Maybe you have like a ticket stub to like a private beach you went to, I don't know. But you've got options. Then here's the next page. I've got another pocket here, and look how cute this is. It's another one of those like shiny papers. That's so fun. So inside of here I have another journal card, another card that you could either add a photo or do some journaling on the back, another one of these little tags, and then another one of these like note things that kind of looks like a sun to me. So I thought that was fun to include here. Then here you've got another pull-out tag with some pink seam binding this time. So that one lives in that pocket. Then here I've got this cut apart that says treat yourself, and it flips up. And then here you have another pull-out tag with this beautiful lemons. And then you've got this lemon paper, and it says I love lazy summer days, and it opens up and you could do journaling on the back. And then you've got another pull-out tag here. So super cute, plenty of space for photos. Same thing here, large area for photos. So again, if you guys are interested, it is available in my Etsy shop. So that is one of them. And here is the second one. So this one says life is sweet. This one's got a beautiful like lace trim here. I've got enamel dots. Then it says summer heat with a cute little lemonade. And from that lemonade, I have this bead hanging. I have this little ice cream, a star charm, and a little tassel. It's got a pink seam binding closure, and this one was an afterthought because I totally forgot to add it in under the paper, but it still worked out really well. So you could see I have the seam binding going through here. And for the back, I added another like scrap piece of paper over this so I could add my seam binding. So there's always a way to fix something. So that's what I did here, and that still looks very, very cute. Again, spine is wire wrapped. I show you guys how to do that in the video class tutorial so that there's no cracking, and you guys just saw the back. Okay, so let's open this cutie up. I really love this one. You've got that glossy paper on the inside. So you guys see that on the inside for both front and back inside covers. You've got that glossy paper. I love it. It's so cute. Then this says just chill, and I added the tags on this side this time just because I really liked the watermelon here and I didn't want to cover it up, so I put it here. Then this next page, I've got this kind of pocket again with more cut aparts. So this one's got these little like sunglasses, this ice cream, the strawberry, and this one's also got a 4x4 that says summer vibes. So those live in this pocket, and this little like flamingos here. It's so cute. It's a fun, summery, and colorful collection, but it's so fun. Here you've got a pull-out tag with the flamingos and some pink seam binding. Then here I've got that like iced drink. It's so cute. And it says poolside fun, but feel free to add like a little 2x2 size photo over this guy. If you don't want him there, you could totally add a 2x2 size photo right over him. And then you could do another photo on the back. And then you could obviously add more photos here. And then here you've got another pull-out tag. I love making these albums. They're so fun, and I just think they're like the perfect size to document day trips and weekend getaways. This says stay cool, and it flips up. So you've got all this like photo space or journal space as well. And then this says life is sweet, just like the cover. And it's got the little ice cream truck with an ice cream pull-out tag. And this is like that shiny kind of glossy paper. I love it. Love, love, love that paper. So then this has the pocket in the center for more memorabilia or more photos. Then you've got the flamingo paper, and before you had it on just the pocket, now you have it like the full background. And inside of this pocket you've got a flamingo journal card. You've got the little strawberry and the little sun, similar to the previous album I showed you guys. And then you've got this pull-out tag here with the little drinks. Then here you've got the flip-flop page, and this says so cool, and it flips open so you could do journaling and add another photo. And here you've got another pull-out tag. So they're like similar but not the same. Here you've got the polka dot paper in the background, and you've got this cut apart that says ice cream, and it flips open and you could do journaling and add a photo. And then here's the pull-out tag for that last one. And then you've got more space for photos and journaling here. Isn't this so cute, guys? I love it. It's such a cute little size. It fits in your hand perfectly. I really love making these. I honestly think they're just so perfect for day trips and weekend getaways. And I'm just waiting to go on my own little getaway or something so I could document it and make one for myself. Because I really want to make one for me too. I just don't know what theme yet. But if you guys, you know, have some summer plans and whatnot, or you just want to document like your summer this year with your favorite photos, you could do that as well. Again, so these are available in my Etsy shop. The link is down below if you guys are interested in purchasing. And I also have the video class tutorial linked down below in case you guys want to learn how to make this yourself. Alright guys, so that is it for this video, and I'll be back to show you guys another project I'm going to make with this paper as well. So stay tuned, and I'll show you guys the next one also, but that is it for this video. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next crafty video. I'll talk to you soon. Bye!